Tesla is already clearing the land of the Cybertruck Gigafactory in Austin of Giga Texas. We have a rare video and images thanks to one of our Torque News community, and we're going to share it with you. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel if you would like to know more about Gigafactory Texas and how we're going to chronicle it thanks to our local friends. Please also like this video to show your appreciation of our friend Joe, who sent us this video and also these images from today, how Tesla has already started the work at Gigafactory. So one of our friends from San Antonio, Joe Tegtmeyer, was driving at the Cybertruck Gigafactory site at Austin and sent us this video and pictures. Joe also wrote this: I just visited the newly announced Austin, Texas Gigafactory site for Tesla today, and there was a lot of activity already. A huge section of the land has already been cleared, and work was ongoing with a lot of earth movers at work. Here's a link to a video, and you're seeing it here. I took for a few hours ago and few photos as well. Hope this will be of interest to your subscribers. Yes, Joe, this is of interest to us, and people like you help us to chronicle Gigafactory Shanghai, Giga Berlin, and now Gigafactory Texas, Giga Texas, Austin Gigafactory. So friends, it was only 2 days ago that Tesla and Texas Governor Greg Abbott and Elon Musk confirmed that Tesla has chosen Austin for the location of its Gigafactory, Giga Texas. Tesla is going to build a Model Y Cybertruck and also Tesla semi-truck at Gigafactory Austin. And I did not know that. I knew this morning I reported a sentence that said the work has already started, but we didn't know the work has started at such a great magnitude. But expect Tesla to move very quickly at Giga Texas, because Tesla plans to have Model Y production by the end of this year there, and semi coming next year. So this is very exciting. This is one of the first very rare videos where you're seeing Tesla Gigafactory Austin work has already started, and we expect to bring you more news thanks to our local friends. So Joe said that he is going to go back to the location in 2 days and send us another video, and one of our other friends is also going to send us another video. If you guys are in the area, I would prefer drone or any videos or pictures if you would prefer, and I would prefer for at least 10 minutes or close to 10 minutes, because I would like to make our videos at least 10 minutes. So today the global automotive market, especially for alternative fuel vehicles, is very competitive. Tesla expects to further grow this market in the future. The company is a leader in the field of electric vehicles and continues to widen its product offerings. To meet global demand for its products, Tesla must continue to expand its global manufacturing capacity. This is why I would say in about 6 months, Tesla announced, it was end of November that Tesla announced Giga Berlin. And look how far Giga Berlin has gotten, how much work Tesla has done at Gigafactory Berlin, and now Giga Texas. I don't know, sometimes I would refer to it as Austin Gigafactory, because Giga Austin doesn't really sound really nice, because there is A and A Giga Austin, but also Giga Texas. It looks like people are referring to more as Giga Texas, but I don't know. If you guys know more about this, let me know. So Tesla understands that an additional manufacturing facility is required. Another Gigafactory is required in the United States. In particular, the products of the new plant are aimed at providing vehicles to the eastern half of the United States, so the perfect location is in the center of the United States. It was Austin and Tulsa. Tulsa is out of the game now, but I just read that Tesla may choose Tulsa in the future for another Gigafactory or another some type of activity. But now Tesla's final decision rests with Austin, and we felt that it was going to be Austin anyway. So during the Q2 2020 earnings call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the company had selected Austin, Texas as the location for its next Gigafactory, known as Giga Texas or Cybertruck Gigafactory. Tesla enthusiast and our friend Der Gaspar on Twitter provided documents that indicated the location for a future factory where Model 3, Model Y, the Cybertruck, and the Semi will be produced. It's at the Colorado River, Texas, south of Webberville Rd 969, east and west of Texas Highway 130, which runs through the 15 minutes from Austin and 5 minutes from Austin International Airport. Okay, so Tesla submitted the application to the Del Valle Independent School District on May 26, 2020, and we have reported extensively on that. According to the document submitted, Tesla is evaluating the possible development, design, and construction of an electric vehicle manufacturing plant in Travis County within the Austin Green property. This site is approximately 2,100 acres and located at the intersection of SH 130 and Harold Green Road. You're seeing pictures provided by our friend who sent this video and provided by Joe Tegtmeyer, who, like I said, sent this video. So as I continue to present the story. At the time of the application, the property at this address was a sand and gravel mining site owned and operated by Martin Marietta and currently houses a full operational concrete batch plant supporting the needs of numerous Central Texas construction projects. The Martin Marietta assets will operate for a period of time, but will be relocated in the future to allow for the build out of the site. The timeline for the relocation will be determined at a later date, but I think the concrete batch plant is going to be needed for Tesla, because we learned that in Giga Berlin, it was early this week, we learned that in Giga Berlin, Texas, that Tesla is using 2 concrete processing plants to process the concrete. So the concrete is not brought from far away, but they can process it on the site and continue building the Giga Berlin at a fast speed. Giga Berlin has become a measurement, a meter of speed for Tesla, far surpassing the Giga Shanghai's iconic speed. So it seems to me that Tesla will still continue using the operational concrete batch plant to support its construction of Texas Gigafactory. According to the application was submitted on May 26, construction was proposed to commence in the Q3 of 2020, pending all required approvals. The manufacturing plant was going to be 5.4 to 5 million square feet. Tesla wrote that the timing of the construction still needs to be determined, but it is expected that it will cover the next 2-3 years. And now we know that Tesla has already started. Actually, friends, I didn't expect Tesla to start this soon, because the announcement of Giga Berlin just came, when was that? Just came 2 days ago. And now Tesla is already working on that, clearing the land, and I think this will be very fast, and things will go very at an astonishing speed for Giga Berlin. Texas Gigafactory. I say sometimes Giga Berlin because we have been recording Giga Berlin so often. And also, if you remember, if you followed the earnings call, Tesla Elon Musk, Tesla CEO Elon Musk, said that Austin is going to be an ecologically very clean gigafactory, and it's going to be open for the public. At Electrek, they have reported on Tesla's plan to build its next gigafactory in Austin since May, and we have also reported on that. But Musk described the Tesla Gigafactory Austin as an ecological paradise. I don't like that word paradise, like I said in my previous report, because paradise means something from Bible for me, but it's going to be an ecologically clean place. And here's what he said. He said it's about 2,000 acres, and we're going to make it a factory that is going to be stunning. It's right on the Colorado River. So we're actually going to have a broad walk where there will be hiking and biking trail. It's going to be basically an ecological, I quote, paradise, a clean place. Birds in the trees, butterflies, fish in the stream, and it'll be open to the public as well. So not closed and only Tesla. So if anyone's interested in working at Giga Texas with engineering, production, whatever the case may be, please let us know. End of the quote. In fact, speaking of Giga Texas, you saw that Elon Musk referred to the Gigafactory as Giga Texas. So I'm going to refer to the Cybertruck Gigafactory in the future as Giga Texas. And like I said, thanks to our friend Joe who sent this report, you see that Tesla has already started the work and clearing the land at Giga Texas. So let me know what you think, friends. I hope some of you will send me, who are from Austin area, will send me more drone videos or more videos how Tesla is working, what they're doing, what they're bringing, the way we have been chronicling Giga Berlin. And if you do, if possible, please make each video at least 10 minutes. You can use Dropbox to send me, or you can use Google Drive to send them to me, and you can find my email from the About page of Torque News YouTube channel that you're watching now. Please share this with friends. Please like this video to show your appreciation of our friend Joe Tegtmeyer. Joe, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And also, this is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell so you don't miss my next Giga Texas story. And I'll see you in our next report. Friends, God bless you. Take good care of each other. I'll see you soon.